one. Yeah. We're all from Training for Battle, and we have back.
I forgot my own name.
It's been that long. Adrian from the Something Mindset. And
That is correct.
Today we are doing Perfect Order. He absolutely destroyed me in Phantasmal Flames. We didn't get a chance to get together for Ascending Heroes, but here we are again for Perfect Order. All right, guys, without further ado, let's dig in. Yeah, and I mean, just like take a second to like look at this ETB, man. Like, look at the inside of the packaging. That is so cool. Let's open this thing up. I should have, the sleeve should tear, right? Somewhere in the middle, right here. Yeah. I mean, like, check this out, right? Like, show the guys at home. The Meowth, the Starmie, the Clefable Mega, and then the man himself, Zygarde. I mean, this is just some nuts artwork, right?
Yes, it is.
So you just rip these and you get so excited to open the cards, you know, you kind of...
Oh, this one that's undamaged.
Yeah, yes it is. I did damage mine. But like, you know, look at this artwork. They put work into this, right? Like, this matters. Somebody took the time of day to draw that. All right. We got the Master Set booklet. Already dropping the coin. Yeah, Zygarde 1%. Can you smell that? It smells like defeat.
You just never know. It could be victory.
You never know, yeah. All right, we got the sleeves coming in. Looks like it's undamaged Tyrant. Pack of energy cards for when we get together and we battle next time. And the dice. I'm going tails.
All right. Heads.
Heads it is.
All right, that's one.
All right. All right, Meowth. Be kind to me. All right. The Chinpao looks nice.
Yeah.
And the Meowstic. Growing energy. Nice.
So that's the time for that one.
Yeah.
All right. Full card. Energy.
Man, whole lot of nothing. All right, here we go again. Round 2. We're tied so far with a whole lot of nothing. All right. Oh, hey, we got both copies at the same time. Great for the master set. Hollow Scatterbug and... And we're staying tied so far.
Right. Let's see if we can get the gold card.
This man's pretty lucky. I'm sure it's going to happen.
Nah, I'm not that lucky. Don't let him fool you. Alright.
Is that a SIR or just illustration rare?
Just the illustration rare.
I mean, still, that puts you in the lead. All right.
Alright.
Can we make the comeback? Oh, Meowth, please. This one feels thick. I say it a lot. Usually I'm wrong, but maybe I'm right today.
It's probably the SIR.
Just weighing the pack down. You just kind of put it right here. Like, I'll just do that. All right. All right. Reverse hollow Star U. Reverse hollow Ghastly. Oh no! Dugong! Not what we're looking for today.
Right. Let's see if we can go way out into the lead. Alright. Go card. Energy.
What a difference.
Swatter.
Wow! Another 2-star? That's illustration rare, right?
That's
EX?
ultra rare.
Ultra rare. You got the ultra rare.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, guys. I'm pretty sure we're cooked at this point, but you never know.
That's alright. Maybe win in the lead.
Bring it on back, Mega Zygarde. All right. Doublade. Skorupi. Spupa. Tyrant. Look, this is like a sea barnacle, right?
Yeah, we're Barnacle.
Core memory. This is about to be a core memory of my nightmares. Hollow Fletchling. And. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, wait. It's
Got
a.
the
It's a IR Dropion. I'm not caught up, but it makes it a lot better.
Okay. So 2-1.
Yeah, 2-1.
Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can pull Patrick Star.
Yeah. Head in.
Go card. Energy. Cookie pad. All right.
Thank goodness I have a chance to catch up. All right, let's bring it on home. Let's catch back up. You don't have a hyper rare, right? You just have a ultra rare. You said.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right, Pokeball. Don't let me down.
No.
Hollow Energy Search. Hollow Bunnelby, we got one more. Oh no. Yeah, womp womp.
Right, here we go. Go card. Nope. Gengar.
Hey, I mean, Gengar is a fan favorite. I personally like Gengar. I'm a Gengar guy.
Yeah.
All right. They all feel the same. I can't tell. There's no way to know. All right, Clefairy, bring me luck. Furufuru, a Jaw Fossil, Servine, Naveen. I think I already pulled a Naveen. We need the Hollow. Is this a big set?
No, it's a smaller set.
That's good. This will be easier to master set. Hollow, Reverse Hollow Fletchinger, Hollow or Reverse Hollow Pokemon Catcher, and Shin Pal. Again.
Let's see if I can do a little bit better. All right, that's what we're looking for. Code card. Energy.
Looks like I got both Shin Pals.
Okay. Start
Start
you.
you.
Nope.
Another!
So
that's the EX and then the illustration rare, right? Or the ultra rare?
mm-hmm.
Wow. This man and his luck. I guess you're pulling a lot of Clefables today. Alright.
If I pull the SR out of this, that would be crazy.
That would be crazy. Oh, crazy, crazy, crazy for you! Oh my gosh. Mal, please, with the big mouth, help me. Ghastly, lend me your strength. Salandit, don't burn me alive. Snorlax, oh my gosh. Judge, I need help. Luxio. Pokepad. The Landorus. Oh, come on. Come on, we need something. We need something. Yveltal EX, and it's a 2-star, so it's just a, what? Double rare? Cooked again. Alright, next.
Yeah. Let's see if we get the SR. Code card. Fire. Nope. Star you. Core memory. Nope. I thought that was something. Oh well. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Is that a 2-star? Double rare?
Yep.
Decidui. My man's coming in with the double rares. I don't know if I can catch back up at this point. I'd have to like hit every single on the next.
No, just the SR.
Oh, just, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You're right. Yeah, if I get the higher rarity.
So if you put the SR, he'll pretty much win.
Let's just pull it, huh? Water. Nope. All right, Dartrix. Hone Edge, I need you. Look at that Haunter, man.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
These guys worked pretty hard on these arts. I really think they did. A Gillette. So you say that right?
Yeah.
Actually, I would have liked the Hollow to go with it. Okay. Skodarupi. Alright, Talonflame. Last one. We're going to take it. We're going to take it. This is the channel first and my personal first opening perfect order. And this is another EX, so it's another double rare. It's not what we're looking for. We're definitely probably losing this, but we'll take the double rare. Gosh. Love Zygarde.
Alright, so this is going to be the last pack. Let's see what it is. It's Patrick Star himself.
Who are you people?
Let's see if we can pull a Patrick Star.
Yeah, come on out.
Alright. Code card for the people. Water.
Hey, whoa, wait a minute. He's onto something.
Alright, let's see. Let's see if we can get an SR. Nope.
One more. Ow.
Yes, a chance.
Last pack magic. All right, guys. Last pack magic. Let's just. This needs to be it. Zygarde. You need to be in here, buddy. I'm gonna need some help here, or I'm cooked. 1, 2, double rares and a hyper rare, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and then the illustration rare. Let's go fire.
Nope.
Small mouse. A bird. A very large spider. A small sea barnacle. The butterfly. Oh, Luminoid City. They put a whole video game inside one city. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Diggersby. I don't really know what this guy would be. Coal miner?
Basically.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's hard. We'll see if you done it.
Alright. Gosh, come on.
It's nervous.
I am nervous. What do we get? 1 star?
Yeah, you got an IR.
I got an IR. And then Gengar, look at that tongue. Alright. Not enough to catch back up, but let's do some overviewing, huh?
So I don't know, depending on how you consider it. It could be a tie, or he could have got it.
2 IRs, 2 EXs, and then we got what? Two EXs, so 2 double rares, an IR, and then what? A hyper rare?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I'm cooked on this one, guys. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Who do you think won? Did you like it? What could we do better? What could we do different? And we'll be back again for more ETP battles with Perfect Order, because we're not done. We got to master set it, and it's going to be a long journey. All right, man. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.